Welcome back to my class. Let us do the next problem. Integration cos theta d theta by 2 plus sin theta into 3 plus 4 sin theta. Say this is I. Let sin theta equals to z. So we get cos theta d theta equals to dz. This is dz by z plus 2 into 4z plus 3. Now 1 by z plus 2 into 4z plus 3. This is decomposed into a by z plus 2, b by 4z plus 3. Say. Now multiplying both sides by this denominator, we get 1 is identically equal to a into 4z plus 3, b into z plus 2. Now first, to get the value of a, we have to vanish this one. For this, we take z equals to minus 2. Then 1 is equals to a into minus excuse me, minus 8 plus 3. Then a equals to minus 1 by 5. Next, to vanish this one, we have to choose z equals to minus 3 by 4. Then we get 1 is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 2, that is 5 by 4. So ultimately gives b equals to 4 by 5. Now we have to write again this fraction and identically equal to this one, minus 1 by 5, b is 4 by 5. So therefore I becomes minus 1 by 5 d of z plus 2 by z plus 2, 4 by 5, no, 4 by 5 no. Here you have to write 1 by 5. 1 by 5 d of 4z plus 3 by 4z plus 3. Why? Because d of 4z plus 3 is 4. That's why 4 used there. So here 1 by 5 remains outside. Now this will be 1 by 5 ln of mod of z plus 2 plus 1 by 5 ln of mod of 4z plus 3 plus c. So combining these two, we can write 1 by 5 ln of mod of 4z plus 3 by z plus 2 plus c. Now substitute z. 1 by 5 ln of mod of 4 sin theta plus 3 by sin theta plus 2 plus c. This is your answer. Next, integration dx by sin x minus sin 2x. dx by sin x minus sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Then dx by sin x into 1 minus 2 cos x. Now multiply both n and d by sin x. We get sin x dx, here it is sin square x into 1 minus 2 cos x. Next you can write integration sin x dx, here it is 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, 1 minus 2 cos x. Now let cos x equals to z, that is minus sin x dx equals to dz. So I will be equals to, if we consider the initial integral I will be equal to minus integration dz by 1 plus z, 1 minus z and 1 minus 2z. Now it is in doable form. What we can solve? Now I am erasing this side. Remember about this negative minus sign. Okay. Now 1 by 1 plus z, 1 minus z into 1 minus 2z identically equal to a by 1 plus z, b by 1 minus z, c by 1 minus 2z. That reduces to 1 identically equal to a into 1 minus z, 1 minus 2z, b into 1 plus z, 1 minus 2z, c into 1 plus z, 1 minus z. Now to get the value of a, we have to vanish these two parts. 1 plus z is common factor. So for z equals to minus 1, we get 1 is equal to minus 1, that is plus 1, 2. 2, 3, 6a. So a equals to 1 by 6. Next to get b, 1 minus z is common factor, so for z equals to 1. 1 is equals to 1 plus 1, 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 2b. So b equals to minus half. Next to get c, 1 minus 2z is common factor, so z equals to half. For z equals to half, we get 1 is equals to 1 plus half, 3 by 2, 1 minus half is half, 3 by 4, 3c by 4. So we get c equals to 4 by 3. We get the values of the constants. Now I am writing here directly minus integration third bracket. You have to write the fraction separately. Now our space is limited, that's why I am jumping and I am writing the integral directly. A is 1 by 6 by 1 plus z, b is minus half by 1 minus z. C is 4 by 3 by 1 minus 2z. Third bracket close, dz. Now minus third bracket, this is 1 by 6 ln of mod of 1 plus z. This is half ln of mod of 1 minus z. This is minus 2 by 3 ln of mod of 1 minus 2 third bracket close plus c. Now our answer will be here. 2 by 3 ln of mod of 1 minus 2z, that is 1 minus 2 cos x, minus half ln of mod of 1 minus z, that is 1 minus cos x, then minus 1 by 6 ln of mod of 1 plus cos x plus c. This is your answer. Okay. Next question. Integration x cube dx by x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Look here, degree of numerator and denominator are equal, so you have to divide it. Here it is x cube, here it is x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. X cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Now we have to divide x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 x cube 1 times. So x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 minus plus minus plus. So we get remainder x square minus x plus 1. Now here we can write 1 plus remainder is x square minus x plus 1 divided by the divisor. Divisor is x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Now look at the fact that this is irreducible. X square plus 1 cannot be factorized into real linear factors. So now we have to write this fraction as a by x minus 1 then bx plus c by x square plus 1. Now multiplying both sides by denominator this, we get x square minus x plus 1 identically equal to a into x square plus 1 bx plus c into x minus 1. Now just observe how I am getting the values of the constants a, b, c. First, to get the value of a, we take x equals to 1. For x equals to 1, we get 1 minus 1 plus 1, that is 1, is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 2a. That means a is half. Next just choose x equals to 0. We get 1 is equal to a minus c. If you choose x 0, then this vanishes. C into minus 1, that is minus c. We already get value of a, so c will be half minus 1, that is minus half. After getting the value of c, we can choose any value of x. Say for x equals to minus 1. If you choose minus 1, this is plus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, plus 3. 3 equals to 2a c minus b into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus b, that is plus 2b minus 2c. So you get a plus b minus c is 3 by 2. You get a is half, c is minus half. So half plus half 1. So b equals to 3 by 2 minus 1, that is half. So we get the values of all the three constants. So now we can write the fraction as a is half, b is half, c is minus half. Okay. Now I am erasing this part. If we consider the integral as I, then I will be equal to half integration d of x minus 1 by x minus 1, half integration x minus 1 dx by x square plus 1, half integration d of x minus 1 by x minus 1, 1 by 4 integration 2x dx by x square plus 1, minus half integration dx by x square plus 1, half integration d of x minus 1 by x minus 1, 1 by 4 integration d of x square plus 1 by x square plus 1, minus half integration dx by x square plus 1. Now your answer will be I equals to half ln of mod of x minus 1, 1 by 4 ln of mod of x square plus 1, minus half tan inverse of x plus c. This is your answer. No. There remains one part. X plus. I have erased, that's why I am missing this. X plus half ln of this plus 1 by 4 ln of this minus half tan inverse plus. Okay. Next question. Let us have a short break. After the break, I am coming with more problems. Till then, be there.